Rive helps you create interactive, animated graphics that are ready to ship to apps, websites, and games. They're not mock-ups, prototypes, or videos. They're graphics that can change state at any moment with rich visuals and animation. We've got two products: our editor, which is where you'll create the graphics, and our runtimes, which are open source libraries to playback and control your graphics on a bunch of platforms. Opening up the Rive editor, you'll see there's a design mode and an animate mode. If you're familiar with tools like Figma or Sketch, you'll feel right at home in design mode. You can create shapes like rectangles and circles, or you can use our pen tool to draw custom paths, or you can import vector graphics with SVGs and raster graphics with PSDs, PNGs, and JPEGs. If you're familiar with animation tools like After Effects, then you should feel right at home in animate mode. You can create linear timelines with keys, quickly set interpolation, or use our graph editor. Where Rive gets very different is with our state machine. Start by dragging your timeline animations onto the state machine graph. Then, create at least one input to make your state machine interactive. An input is a value that can change outside of your state machine. Think of it as the contract between designers and developers. In this case, we're going to name our input rating, and our state machine will be looking for a value between 0 and 5. For example, on this transition, we're looking for an input value of 5. If the value hits 5, then the transition will play. Using this simple concept, you can create all kinds of interactions, from simple design components to full-blown menus, characters, dashboards, and more. Now that you've got a functional interactive graphic, it's time to get it running in your products, websites, apps, or games. You can download the .riv file and load it with our runtimes. These are open source libraries that allow you to control your animations on most platforms. You can also easily embed interactive Rive animations with our share links. Share links are a no-code way to get your Rive files running on a website or present your graphics to a client. If you need a more traditional format, Rive's Cloud Renderer allows you to export GIFs, videos, image sequences, and more. We've got plenty of other tutorials on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe. If you're new to the Rive community, be sure to join our Discord, where you can request help, show off your work, look for jobs, and interact with other Rive animators. If you're a total beginner, don't miss our Rive 101 series, which will cover the basics of design and animation as you work your way through a more structured course format.